Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to share with you a sample survey questionnaire in research. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Couple of days ago, I was requested to become one of the validator on a dissertation study. So one of the things that is being sent to me by the researcher is a survey questionnaire. So when we are creating a survey, whether it is undergrad, master's, or doctorate degree, we have to prepare questionnaires, whether it is online, Google form, or printed copy of the questionnaire. So we have here a sample. Dear participant, this study entitled Evaluation of Upland Ligtas ng Pamayanan o LP program, the Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP, in Negros Occidental is being conducted in partial fulfillment of Doctor in Public Administration degree at Carlos Hilado Memorial State University Talisay campus. Your honest response to the questions below will greatly assist in gathering reliable data for this study. Please be assured that the information collected will be used solely for academic purposes and your confidentiality and anonymity will be fully respected. In this case, Ma'am Leohona K. Arianson, our researcher. So here, when we are preparing for survey questionnaire, there are two cases. No? If the user would like to give their name, that's very good. We can verify or none. No? So it is the discretion of the respondent whether the respondent will give the name, his name or her name or not. So part 1, we have here local government unit directions. Please check or indicate your answer from the options provided. Name, yours truly, where I'm working, TUP Visayas, type of local government unit, city, income class, first class, geographical, upland or coastal. This is the part 1. Part 2 will be evaluation of OLP program. So depends on your study, and then you can create a scale here. Okay, so 590 to 100, excellent. 470 to 89, very good. 350 to 69, good. 2 to 30 to 49, fair. 1 below 30, poor. So you can construct different questionnaires here, and then for the respondent can put a check, excellent. Another program here, questions, if they complied, just check. Linga program. And then part 3, there is an easy question. So describe the challenges and opportunities encountered during the implementation of the Upland Ligtas Panayanan program in the following areas. I answered this. Challenges and opportunities, Bayanihan program, Kaagapay program, challenges and opportunities, Liga program, challenges and opportunities. That's it, no? So creating a survey questionnaire in research is quite challenging, but it is fulfilling also. We are learning, and then make our study more reliable because we conduct it fairly and honestly. So that's it, guys, no? So example of survey questionnaire in research. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye-bye for now.